Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to get free coins in ShortMax app. So guys, make sure to follow along to discover how to get the free coins. So let's open up the ShortMax application. And from here, once you open the app, as you can see, they already have a huge bonus. Let's just simply tap on that receive. And from here, just simply sign in into your account using your Facebook or a Google account. So I'm gonna go for my Google. And from here, once you have signed in into your account, just tap on the profile over here down below at the bottom right corner of the screen. And after that, just simply go ahead and tap on rewards over here. And from here, guys, as you can see, we have a pop-up that if we watch an ad, that we will get coins. So if you want to have more coins, just simply tap on that. And that is absolutely free, guys. As you can see, you will have a daily check-in, which every day you will get multiple free coins. You just have to simply use the application and earn this check-in daily free coins. And down below, you will also have a beginner task, which if you connected your Facebook account, you will get 100 coins. If you bind an email, you will get 50, and also binding your phone number will get you 50 coins as well. And down below, you'll be able to watch ads and earn more coins and bonus. And there you go. That's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.